Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we cover context managers and pattern matching from Fluent Python. We'll explore the with statement, the context manager decorator, structural pattern matching with match case, and the often misunderstood for else and try else semantics. A context manager is any object that implements __enter___ and ___exit___. When you write with obj as x, Python calls __enter__ and binds its return value to x. When the with block ends, normally or due to an exception, Python calls __exit__. __exit__ receives the exception type, value, and traceback. If it returns true, the exception is suppressed. Otherwise it propagates. This pattern guarantees cleanup, closing files, releasing locks, ending transactions. The context manager decorator from ContextLib simplifies context managers. Instead of writing a class with __enter__ and __exit__, you write a generator function with a single yield. Everything before yield is the setup, equivalent to __enter__. The yielded value becomes the as target. Everything after yield is the cleanup, equivalent to __exit__. Wrap the yield in try finally to ensure cleanup runs even on exceptions. Python 3.10 introduced structural pattern matching with match and case. Unlike a simple switch statement, match case matches by structure, not just value. The underscore is the wildcard pattern, it matches anything. Patterns can capture variables from the subject. For example, case bracket x, y captures two elements from a sequence. Pattern matching can destructure sequences, mappings, and class instances. Case bracket x, y, rest matches a sequence with at least two elements. Case curly brace key : value matches a dictionary with that key. Case ClassName parentheses x equals value matches objects by their attributes. You can combine patterns with the pipe operator for OR matching. Python has unusual for else and try else constructs. In for else, the else block runs only when the loop finishes without hitting a break. Think of it as a no-break clause. In try else, the else block runs only when the try block raises no exception. This lets you keep the try block minimal, only guard the risky code, and put the success path in else.
Let's build a file manager context. The class stores the path and mode. __enter__ opens the file and returns the file object. __exit__ closes the file and returns false to let exceptions propagate. Usage: with file manager as f, then read or write. Even if an exception occurs inside the with block, the file is guaranteed to close. A database transaction context manager using @contextmanager. We yield a cursor so the caller can run queries. If an exception occurs, we catch it, call rollback, and re-raise. In the else clause, we call commit, this only runs on success. This pattern ensures every transaction either commits or rolls back, no half states. Pattern matching excels at command parsing. We split the command string and match against patterns. Case bracket go, direction captures the direction argument. Case bracket drop, ** items captures all remaining words. So, Go north matches the first pattern and calls move with north. Drop sword shield captures both items into a list. Guard clauses add conditions to patterns. Case point x, y if x equals y matches points on the diagonal. Case point x, y if x greater than 0 matches points in the right half. The guard is checked only after the pattern matches structurally. So point 3, 3 matches the first case and prints diagonal.
Key tips to remember. Use @contextmanager for simple setups. It's far less boilerplate than a class. In __exit__, return true only if you deliberately want to suppress the exception. Match case is about structure, not equality. Think destructuring, not if-elif. For else is really a no-break. The else runs only when the loop exits normally. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.